Hi, my name is Madeline Neufeld, and I am a science illustrator and visual science communicator. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this graph to try and answer the question, are horses or humans faster marathoners? So first of all, I'll take a look at the title, Horse versus Human Winning Times. I would expect that this graph is going to show me the times of horses versus humans when they win, and that would let me know which one is running faster. So looking at the graph itself, I see that it's a bar chart with many different bars, and most of the bars are black, but some are gray. So before I dive into it, I'm going to look to see what the axes represent. The x-axis is labeled year, and we have years from 2023 on the left to 1981 on the right. And so it looks like each bar represents a race in a certain year. And we don't have races every year, so I wonder what happened that year that they didn't have a race. But we do have races pretty consistently through time, so that will allow us to see general trends. On the y-axis, we have winning time, and that starts at 1 hour on the bottom, which is very, very fast. And I can see that neither horses nor humans can run it that fast. And 3 hours on the top, which is 2 hours slower. And the height of the bar represents how fast the marathon was run, or the winning time. So now I'll look at the key to see what the color means, and black means horse winner, and gray means human winner. So in each of these bars, which represent a race in a certain year, the gray bars are when humans won the race, and black bars are when horses won the race. So I can see now that there are far more black bars, which means that horses win races much more often than humans, which might suggest that they are much faster than humans, since they win so often. But taking a look at the times, the most recent human winner was a little under 2:30. So if this is 2:15 in the middle of these two bars, then this would be about 2:25, which is pretty fast marathon. And the human in 2019 ran a similar time. Looking at horses in recent years, this horse ran a little bit faster since the bar is a little shorter. This horse even ran slower. This horse and this horse seem to have run about the same time. And then there are horses that are faster. So from year to year, you might say that some horses and some humans can run about the same time. But overall, more horses win than humans, which would suggest that horses are faster. Another pattern that I'm curious about is that from left to right, the bars seem to be getting shorter. And that would mean that times in the past, since 1981, were faster and are getting slower over time. So I wonder why this would be. And maybe the courses are getting a little bit harder and more challenging, or maybe horses were faster in the past and are getting slower for some reason. But regardless, the number of times that horses win over humans suggests that they might be faster at a marathon. Although humans can win sometimes, and their times aren't too far off of the fastest horse in other years.